Hi, I'm Rosie and this is Annette.
Hi.
And we are Pokojovky, a plant studio and shop in Prague. And today, thanks to Footshop and Adidas, we are gonna show you how to make this glass jungle. So, let's do this. We're gonna need a glass container like this, a small plant. Today we have a succulent called Echeveria, this cute one. Then we have some stones, sand and suitable soil, which is this one. We have this sandy soil, which is perfect for succulents, and this cute garden shovel. So yeah, we can start now. At first we need our first layer, which is stones. Annette will put them carefully inside. And we just need this small layer, approximately 1 centimeter high.
Yeah.
And it will work as a drainage. Drainage is important because thanks to it our plant roots will not stand in water and it will be nice and safe.
Yeah.
Then we'll add our first layer of soil. You can see it here. You can choose if you want the terrarium with just the soil or with these nice stripes with the sand, which is what we're gonna do. So Annette will add just also 1 centimeter high, like this, and then we'll put the sand. We have to remember that we just need enough space for the actual plant, so don't make the layers too high. Annette is putting the sand just around the edges.
Yeah. It's gonna be. Okay.
Okay. And then the final layer of soil. We have to make the soil as thick as the root ball of our plant. I will show you what the root ball means for Annette.
Yeah, maybe me. Just a second. Yeah.
Yeah, now we can see the stripes forming.
Yeah. So.
And the root ball of the plants is this. You have to get rid of the old, unnecessary soil with the plants. And once you see the roots, that's our root ball, like this. Yeah, it's 2 or 3 centimeters high, and we need to plant it now. So put it inside, in the middle, maybe make a little hole, and add the rest of the soil around, carefully.
And slowly.
Carefully and slowly.
Okay.
Yeah, it can be a little messy, but don't worry.
I think that it's fun. Okay.
And finally, we need to press the soil gently so the plant will stay in the terrarium. And now final touches. So you can see we add this last layer of sand. You can add it, it's up to you, or you can add your favorite stones, your shells from vacation and stuff like that. It's up to you, and you can make it personal as you like. So we're gonna add them, and that's it. And it's finishing it, and I will tell you how to take care of your terrarium. Succulents love sun, so put it on a very bright place. and water them once you will see the soil is completely dry out, because again succulents don't like to be in a wet soil, so water it carefully and not too often. And yeah,
That's it.
that's it. You just make your first terrarium. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching us. Thanks Footshop and Adidas for having us. We hope you had fun and maybe see you soon. Je pokojovky. Ciao.
Ciao.